Our family recently took a trip to Crested Butte, Colorado, a small town with historic buildings and beautiful mountain views. We did a little skiing in a mini blizzard, spent some time in town where there are no franchise stores in sight, and overall had tons of family fun for the holidays. Stay tuned for our most recent family adventure.
Merry Christmas!
Hey, we are on the road again, and this time we're going to Colorado!
Colorado!
We're going to meet Mamir and Papir and more family, and we're going to be in a cabin, we're going to go skiing and all this fun stuff, so come with us! This year we are upping the family travel and working on a series of really cool places to visit within the United States. We are kicking it off in Crested Butte. Be on the lookout for more videos to come. Now, one thing I would suggest before landing is drinking lots and lots of water, and maybe even taking a pain reliever. The air is very dry here, and altitude sickness is no joke.
Look, right there. He's down there. I'm going to look at it. See him moving down there? Look.
We are headed into town to get some lunch and to see what's around. Right, Kenny? Look at Ken.
Backwards. We're not being backwards.
My brother-in-law actually did a search of top 5 places for snow at Christmas and found Crested Butte. Crested Butte has a population of less than 2,000 people and was an old mining town. It is now known for skiing and meadows of wildflowers. We did not rent a car. Instead, we took advantage of the Telluride car service and public transportation. The bus services are free and arrive every 15 minutes. For more information, check out Travel Crested Butte's website. What are we doing tomorrow?
Skiing.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Me too. Well, of course, the day that we choose to go skiing, there's a mini blizzard outside, but we made the best of it. Now, weeks before the trip, our family booked half-day skiing lessons. They are available for toddlers as little as 3. We rented all of our equipment in advance and picked it up at the Crested Butte Resort. I would arrive pretty early for your lessons since you have to be fitted for all your equipment, just in case there's a long line.
Make sure he feels all the way against the back there.
Look at you, big girl.
Oh, look at my big girl. You ready? Come on, baby.
You like all this, you know? Is that what you wanted for?
Good job. You're doing great.
I gotta go.
You gotta go with his class. You have fun at school?
At ski school?
Ski school?
Ski school.
Yeah.
We go to the school bus, okay?
Merry Christmas!
You got a Christmas gift?
Hold on, wait a second.
Where's Katie? Oh, hold it up, Christian.
Wow!
out. What is it? A Cinderella dress. Yeah, the one she got is not good. Where are we?
Cammy, look, you can get one of these and go like this.
Whoa.
Dynamite coming in.
Yeah, Katie, get him. Oh, no. Let me see. Oh, like that way too.
Too slow.
You love the snow? Our ride arrived a couple hours before our departure. It's a 30-minute breathtaking ride to the airport. There are only about 3 flights a day, so we were so fortunate to make it out in between the snowstorms. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a few things from our recent trip. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and be on the lookout for our upcoming series of cool places to visit in the United States. See you soon.